going to go ahead and pull this out the rest of the way. And then we have to loosen the arm frame from the front rail because this part here is also threaded over the support shaft up front. So we have to do a similar procedure to get this off and to get a new one on. So let's do that next. Before I separate the arm frames here, I'm going to get these leg extension scissors out of the way. Okay, I have the footrests, or I should say the leg extension, disconnected from the footrests and also from the rear swings. But there's a third point where they're attached back here on the support shaft. I'm going to try to show you these parts, but I know it's going to be hard to see because they're all black. But here's the support shaft. There's a black plastic part. It's like a little ring that's open at one end. You put it onto the shaft, and then the scissor snaps onto and connects with the support shaft on top of that plastic adapter, if you will, connector. To get this off, we have to pry out this plastic part away from the rest of this linkage here in order to remove it. Not sure we'll be able to see that on camera as well, but we'll give it a shot. There's our clip, and there's the rest of our leg extension scissors. And you can see this one was bent up pretty bad after the drive rod snapped. So I'll remove the other side, and then I can get started on separating the frame here. Okay, next I have to take the staples loose on the bottom of this arm frame so I can access the fasteners that hold these two sections together. And I'll have to take some of this upholstery loose as well. I also need to loosen the fastener underneath this cover that holds the spacing link in place. So what I'll have to do is pull the seat frame forward. And take this cover loose. It's a Torx bit, a T30 I believe. There's the fastener with the Torx head. I'm going to start by removing the frame fasteners here and here, and this one here that holds the support rod, or excuse me, support shaft in place. Okay, so I've separated the arm frame from the front rail. Next, I'm going to take loose this bracket here on the front corner of the seat frame. Now I'll have to straighten this clip so that I can remove it and slide these parts off the support shaft to get the spacing link out. Now you really don't have to note the position of these because it's identical on the other side and we're not taking that corner loose, so you have a pattern to work off of. Okay, now that all the fasteners and clips are loose, we can go ahead and slide the parts off. Okay, and there's a look at the damaged spacing link. So let's slide a new one on. Got the new spacing link on, and the other parts. So now we can go ahead and reattach the support shaft and reinsert it back into the side arm frame. Reattach the front rail, put it back to its proper position. Alright, got the support shaft installed in the side arm frame, got the corner back bracket rejoining the front rail. Now we just want to put this fastener that holds the spacing link, just get it started, don't put it in all the way. Okay, and we'll finish tightening that later when we have the drive rod installed. Okay, so we've got the new spacing link installed. We've reattached the two arm frames, or I should say the arm frame with the front rail. We're just about ready to install the new drive rod.